Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Tiffany. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, and today I'm going to be doing another Morphe 35H Hot Spot palette tutorial. So if you haven't seen my other tutorial, I did a tutorial using these like blue shades over here, and today I think I want to use these top 3 shades over here to create a pink eyeshadow look. 3 shadows should be a fairly simple eyeshadow look, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up to show your support, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. We're so close to 300, and once we hit 300 there will be another giveaway, so let's get there. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. As per usual, the first thing I'm going to go on with is my Morphe concealer, just to prime my eyelid. So I'm going to buff that out. So I'm gonna go into my first shade, which is this nice corally pink up here. I'm just gonna tap into that using my Morphe M504. Any big old fluffy brush will do, and I'm just gonna sweep that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go into the shade right here, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. I'm also gonna kind of tap that on the outer corner of my eye. And then next, I'm going to go in with my shimmery pink on my finger. Originally, I was just gonna do these 3 shades up here, but I kind of want to deepen the corner a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just kind of stamp that in my outer corner. Oh, and guys, this brush that I'm using is a Morphe M433, because I don't think I've been saying that, but that's what this brush is. Next, I'm going to take my 504 again, and I'm going to go back into this like corally pink shade, and I'm just going to blend that darker shade out a little bit. I didn't prime my face, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear and my Morphe M439. Next, we're going in with our concealer. And just blending that out with a damp beauty sponge. Next, I'm just setting that with some Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my little bullet brush. I'm going to go back into that dark purple shade that we used and apply that to the outer corner of my under eye area. And then I'm gonna take this little smudger brush and go back into our shimmery pink and just put that right in the corner. And then using the same brush, I'm going to do my inner corner highlight, and I'm going to use this shade over here. It's hanging out on the blues, but it actually comes out pretty like silvery, so. I'm going to do some liner, going with my NYX Epic Ink liner. Next is mascara. This is my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And I'm just gonna do a few quick coats because I'm putting on lashes. Next, I'm going to set my face using some Dermablend powder. Next is bronzer. This is the Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze. Next, I'm going in with my Glowing in Grease blush and highlighter palette. I'm going to be using Mykonos. Next, I'm going to highlight using Athens. And now I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist. And now I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown and an angled flat brush. And then comb my eyebrows first. Next, just going in with a little bit of brow gel. This is my Essence brow gel. Now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are the Garter lashes from Kiss, I believe. And for lips, I'm going to be using Verve from MAC. And I'm going to top that with this Dose of Colors gloss called Over the Top. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think this came out super cute. I think this is a really nice like pink eyeshadow look that's going to be perfect for summer. You know, it's 100-something degrees outside already here in Arizona, so summer's pretty much here. Let me know your thoughts on this eyeshadow look in a comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed this look, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more future content from me. I've got plenty of makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, fashion hauls, vlogs, all that kind of stuff coming your way. So if you're interested in seeing those videos, make sure you're subscribed and, you know, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when those videos go up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in another one. Bye.